Why do we get hiccups? Ma'am, we get hiccups because of the diaphragm having spasmodic involuntary contractions, which is accompanied with a closed glottis. So this is what causes a hiccup. A glottis is actually the space between two vocal folds. So that is closed, and the diaphragm is having spasmodic involuntary contractions. Now the reason why this can happen is because of gastric irritation. It can also happen because of phrenic nerve irritation, uremia, that is accumulation of urea in blood in kidney disorders, and it can also happen because of hysteria.